Hey everyone, in this video today you're gonna be learning our Forex weekly forecast for the week of May 23rd to the 27th. This is the last week of May, guys. I can't believe the month of May has gone quick. But welcome back to our Forex weekly forecast, trading with our website, TweForexSystem.com. So welcome. Let's go ahead and let me show you what the market is gonna be doing this week. If you do have any question, please let us know. But the first pair that we are gonna be analyzing today, it is gold. Pay close attention to gold, guys. Here it is. Look at this one. Look at your dashboard. Your dashboard here, 4 hours is saying that we are bullish. Your daily time frame is showing that we're still in a sell position. I will break down the pair for you guys so you can understand why the market is doing what it's doing, so you can learn. Okay, so always pay attention to your dashboard. Now pay close attention to your multiple time frame in here, saying what we are selling. Look at the TW sniper entries, also saying that we are selling. Look at the sellers, sell. Look at here, it's getting ready for a continuation of that sell, but we do trade with rule. Look at the stairs. The stairs don't lie, guys. Stairs telling us clearly that we are selling gold at this real time. Well, on Friday the market closed as a buy position, right? So let me explain you about this leg on the buy position so you can learn why the market is bullish. So what we are seeing here, guys, the market is in a buy position on Friday. It left it as a buy, and that is considered a pullback. So pullback still valid, to be honest. So I will say market still gonna come back and retest this green arrow here, so it still has potential to give us another few more pips before the market continues selling down, because remember the goal here is to sell, and then market is gonna do a small retracement, and then by then it's gonna be Wednesday. I can do the before and after so you can see what is the difference between, you know, trading between Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then on Wednesday you can see the after. Okay, guys, one quick thing, guys. Bear with me, guys. One quick thing, guys. If I'm not able to cover any pair that you want me to, you know, analyze it for you, please let me know in the comment below, or you can send me a message, guys. My Telegram is on the description of this video, and I will be more than happy to do a small video. Last week someone requested USD JPY. They said, Irving, how come you didn't analyze USD JPY? That is one pair that I was trading as a buy position, and I really wanted to know what it's gonna be doing this coming week. I did give you guys that video, and it worked out pretty good. One pair that I'm trading, guys, that I left it on Friday was USD 30 as a buy position. If you go back to your chart, you will see the USD 30 is commencing a pullback. Basically, it's giving us a pullback as a buy position, and I took some of the pips out of that particular pair. So, but that's one example. I can give you a few more examples. All right, so let me go ahead and analyze the next pair, guys. The next pair that I'm gonna do here today, it is USD CAD. Pay close attention to USD CAD, guys. Look at your dashboard. The dashboard is telling you what the market is doing, so don't say that I'm not doing this. Look at here. What is 4 hours and daily doing? It's clearly letting us know the market here, it is selling. That's what USD CAD is doing. It's not doing anything else. Now, guys, by the way, if you guys want this trend line here, look, this trend line here, which is in white, please let me know in the comment below, and I will be more than happy to give it to you. Okay, so this trend line here is very awesome, to be honest, because what it does here is it creates a sell zone and a buy zone. Look at here, it gives us a multiple time frame here with the TWE, and it says that market is selling, which is then true. Look at what happened here. Multiple time frame come in here, which is your buy zone. What happened basically? Look at here. Buy zone, boom, market took off. Sell zone, boom, market is considered is selling. Look at the stairs. The stairs is clearly selling down. If you want this trend line in here, this indicator is a free indicator. You can have it for free. So let me know. So let me analyze this particular pair, the USD CAD. So this is what I'm seeing here. So multiple time frame is saying that we are selling. Our TW sniper entry is also saying that we are selling. Look at here, boom, 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 boom. Here's a continuation of the sell. Boom, 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 boom. So this is what I'm seeing here, guys. Remember, market here is telling us that we are selling. So all I can see is this week the market still has potential to come back and retest your 61.8 Fibonacci level. From there, we are gonna look at these previous touches in here, which is a very good, even previous multiple time frames in there. So from here, we are gonna be looking for a green arrow somewhere in here, giving us a retracement, basically coming up all the way to your 38 between your 50 Fibonacci level. And then from there, we're gonna continue selling that particular pair. So this is USD CAD, guys. This is one pair that I will be trading this week. Look, I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. I just want you to make sure that you know that I do bring it up because it's very important, guys. It's our disclaimer here. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not signal. This is for educational purpose. Please do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose. If you want me to help you to learn how to trade, guys, please let me know in the comment below and say Irving, or send me a private telegram and say Irving, can you help me out? I will be more than happy to do it. And or if you want me to analyze a different pair that I'm not covering today, then you are more welcome to let me know and I will do it for you. All right, the next pair that I have for you guys is GBP JPY. A lot of you guys were trading GBP as a buy position because I did got a lot of private telegram messages. So Irving, GBP JPY is in a buy position. I'm super happy I'm making pips, and I will let you know why. But overall, the market is selling, but you guys were trading on that pullback. So once again, guys, if you guys want this free trade line in here, please let me know in the comment below and I will go ahead and hand it over to you. All right, so it's a free indicator that you can have it. All right, so pay attention to your dashboard. What's the dashboard saying? Irving, we are selling. Look at the 4 hours and daily time frame. It's saying that we are selling, right? So what is our multiple time frame doing with the TW sniper entry? Here it is. Look at here. Boom, saying that we are selling. Look at the TW sniper entry, selling. Look at this there. Sell, 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 sell. Now look at the trend. What is the original trend doing? Boom! It's coming down, exactly what the multiple time frame is saying. But like I said, some of you guys send me a private message. So Irving, the market is in a buy position. I'm super happy to make it tons of pips. I want to congratulate you guys. That is very awesome to hear, to be honest. And you know, the other day I was thinking, oh, should I let the team know that you know, all this success story, but I really don't want to be selling story from somebody else. Maybe I will do it in the future, guys. But anyway, here it is, guys. Look at here, multiple time frame is in that pullback. So pullback is valid. Here's a continuation of this pullback here. So all I can say, guys, the market is still bullish. It will come back and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci level. And from here, remember, the market here is selling. Don't get it twisted, okay? And then from there, market will come back, retest your mid trend line. And here we'll do a small retracement. And hopefully, guys, what we're looking for here is we're looking for a multiple time frame TW sniper entry to go in the other direction as a buy position. And boom, we're all gonna be going on that buy position. All right, are you okay with that? Let me know, guys. Let me know. All right.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. Let's move forward, guys. Let's go to the next pair. The next pair that I have for you, it is GBP USD. Oof, guys. Look, guys, I clearly mentioned it to everyone last week that we were expecting to see this our TW sniper entry in here, and here it is. So officially, GBP USD, it is in a buy position. Officially, it is on a buy position. And remember one thing on this particular pair, this is the last week of May. So most likely, as soon as this week ends, we are gonna be looking for our main direction of this trade to be on that buy position. But let me go ahead and analyze this one slowly and surely so you can get it. Guys, do me a favor, guys. If you guys are finding value on this video so far, guys, go ahead and destroy that like button. Let me know in the comment below if you guys want me to cover any pair. If you want to send me a private message or you want to reach out to me directly, my Telegram is on the description of this video. Go ahead and do that, and so you can help the algorithm and we can make more excited videos, so we can make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. All right, so let's go ahead and analyze this pair, guys. So like I said, look at here. What is your TW sniper entry saying in here? Boom. Look at here. The dashboard is saying that we are in a buy position. That's what it's saying. Look at the daily and 4 hours saying we are bullish. Now let's go ahead and pay attention to our multiple time frame going in the same direction of our TWE. Look at here. Boom, boom. Look at the stairs. Boom, boom, boom. So now the market here, guys, is clearly going where? It's going up. It's going up. It already retested this trend line, trend line in here. It already retested the middle. So now it's continue going up. So this week, all I can say, guys, market's still gonna push up, coming back and retest these levels here previously. And then from there, market is gonna do a small retracement, and then we'll continue as a buy position. GBP USD, in my opinion, guys, is still bullish. Market here is bullish. So all I can see this week is we're gonna look for a minor retracement, but overall, the market here, it is in a buy position. Okay, so I'm not seeing anything else saying, okay, yeah, the market is selling. No, market here, it is bullish. It's very clean, very clean, letting you know the market here, it has commenced a brand new trend being on that buy position. All right, okay, any question, guys? What do you guys think so far, guys? Are you guys finding value on this video? Do you guys want me to make more excited video? Guys, if I'm not covering any of your pair that you are planning to trade this coming week, let me show you the thumbnail so you can see the week that we are trading. This is the last week of May. We are trading our Forex weekly forecast for the week of May 23rd to the 27th. This following week, guys, if I'm not covering any pair, please let me know. It doesn't matter if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I can do a short video for you and analyze the pair so you can see it, and boom, we all can make hundreds and hundreds of pips here on the market. All right, guys, so let me show you the next pair. Is one of the most tradable pair in the world, like I always say, and that it is EUR USD. Let's go. Look at that one. Boom. Look at this one, guys. This is very identical as the one that we were reviewing. Look at the 4 hours and daily dashboard is saying. It's saying that EUR USD, it is on a buy position, guys. That's what the market is doing. That's exactly what the market is doing, guys. One thing that I wanted to let you know, on the month of July, guys, I will be taking the entire month off. I will be going visiting multiple different countries. So probably I'm gonna be doing a vacation blogs on it. So bear with me. That month I do desire to be off. To be honest, I'll be working so damn hard, and I create all these videos so you guys can make hundreds and hundreds of pips. All right, let me show you what EUR USD is doing. Look at here. So the dashboard saying that we are in a buy position. Our TW sniper entry is also confirming that yes, that is true, and our TW sniper entry is also confirming that that is true. Look at the stairs. Stair 1, stair 2, stair 3 is saying that we are on a what? Are we selling or buying? What are we doing here? Are we selling or buying? Market is in a buy position. Remember, if you guys want to get this free trend line indicator here, please let me know and I will hand it over to you. Look at what happened here, guys. When the market come to our trend line in here, this is our buy zone. This is our sell zone in here. Look at here, sell zone is touching in here. So what's the meaning of real time right now? So what the market here is clearly in a buy position. So all we're seeing here is the market is giving us a small retracement. So this is my understanding for this particular week, guys. The market is gonna come back and retest your 23.6 Fibonacci level. Look at all these touches in here, multiple touches in here, boom, 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 boom. So which is gonna come one more time, and then boom, market will continue going on that original trend, which is in a buy position, guys. So overall, guys, I did give you a few pairs today. So all I'm seeing here on EUR USD, the market here is bullish. Period. It's not doing anything else. Unless if you guys are seeing something else that I'm not seeing, guys, please let me know in the comment below, so I can, help you out, because I really don't know what is your weakness, but I'm here to help you, okay? So I just want you to understand. But guys, I want to thank everybody for watching our Forex weekly forecast for the week of May 23rd to the 27th, trading here with our multiple time frame system, trading here on our Forex Trading channel. So guys, like I always say, God bless you, God bless your family, God bless the world, God bless Ukraine, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Once again, guys, remember, stay safe, stay humble, no matter how much success you're gonna find in this business, and I will see you back on our next video. So take care, and I love you guys. Peace out. Hasta la vista. Team with Irving. Let's go.